this bag is so fine. Let's get it.
Baby, drop this bag now. The one we came for is not here. You drop it. I don't have money for this bag.
Okay.
But the bag is fine. I want the bag.
You know what this bag is? The bag is fine, but I don't have the money. You want me to thief?
Baby, can't you just buy me something nice for once?
Drop this bag, drop this bag. Let's go. Drop this bag. See
Why are you guys fighting over a bag?
I want this bag and you refuse to buy it for me.
Why now? How much is the bag?
425,000.
How can a fine girl like you be using a bag of 425k? Eh? That's embarrassing. What happened to Beckham, Louis Vuitton, Chanel's? Eh? You are using a bag of 425,000 naira. Don't you have a boyfriend?
Okay, what's your problem now?
Okay.
She said she has a boyfriend. Leave her now. I'm her boyfriend.
Yeah, hey, come. So, what's the most expensive bag you guys have here?
We have from the 3 million naira to 5 million naira.
Where is it?
Look at it over there.
Oh, that's it here?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go down and pick anyone you want. Pick as many as you want.
Which kind of sense be this now? Once now don't make small money, like the 5% wanna go press. Baby, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's
Baby,
go.
just calm down, okay? Relax.
Your girlfriend is currently crushing on another guy. She is just waiting for you to have financial problems so she
I
can
don't even know which one I should pick.
If you like all of them, you can take all of them.
Are you serious?
Yeah, pick all of them, pick all of them.
Please come and pack everything for me.
I can see you are a bag lover, right?
Yes, I love bags so much.
Okay, what are you doing this weekend? Maybe we can go to Paris for some shopping to shop some leggings.
Serious?
Yeah.
I'm free. Serious?
All right. I'm buying something for my driver there. You can meet me there later. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll take those shirts for me. Yeah. I'm going to give it to my driver.
The work is done.
Hey, Chris. You mad? You want to give it to you, idiot.